Good morning, students. Today we are going to conduct experiment number 2, that is measurement of current, power and power factor of incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp and LED lamp. To conduct this experiment, that is the aim of the experiment is to measure the current, power and power factor of incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp and LED lamp. This is the basic circuit diagram what we are going to take as a reference. So if you see that the input voltage here we are given, that is 250 volts DC voltage, and with help of this auto transformer here we are going to achieve that variable voltage, and which is given as an input to this circuit diagram. And here an ammeter is there whose rating is like 0 to 2.5 amperes, and a voltmeter is there which is going to measure that load voltage across this incandescent lamp. Next, look at the procedure how we connected this experiment. Connections are made as per the circuit diagram, and once we throw that MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker, then the supply is given to the incandescent lamp via a smart meter, where it is going to measure that voltage, current and power factor. And to perform this experiment, let us look at the following video.
Good morning, students. I am Dr. K.V. Ramana Reddy, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Sri Sai Ram College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today we are conducting an experiment on measurement of current, power and power factor of incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp and LED lamp. To conduct this experiment, the following apparatus are: multifunction meter which reads voltage, current and phase angle, and the supply voltage. Here it is a single phase AC supply voltage 230 volts. This is phase and neutral of 50 Hz frequency, and the output here we are going to give for 3 lamps like incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp and LED lamp. To conduct this experiment, first of all we have to short circuit that phase and neutral between supply voltage to multifunction meter. This is phase is phase short circuited, and this is the neutral and neutral terminals are short circuited, and again this phase is short circuited with incandescent lamp phase. The output of multifunction meter, another neutral terminal, again it is short circuited with the neutral terminal of incandescent lamp. So first of all here we are going to measure voltage, current, phase angle and again power and power factor for incandescent lamp, because connections are made initially for incandescent lamp. To make the power supply, to give the power supply, here we are going to switch on the main power supply at the back side, and again here we are going to switch on the MCB. MCB stands on miniature circuit breaker. It is a dipole single throw switch, and once we given the supply, the bulb is glowing, that is incandescent lamp, and if we switch on the supply to the multifunction meter, here we are going to read that phase 2 neutral voltage like 230 volts, and current is 0.270 amperes, and the phase angle is pi, that is 49.99, almost 50 Hz. So we are going to tabulate the readings here for incandescent bulb. So we are going to tabulate the readings. The voltage is like 238 volts, current is 0.269 amperes, and the phase angle pi is equal 50, and if pi is equal 50, then we have to measure that cos pi, that is power factor. So now we are going to use that calculator. So cos of 50, that is equal 0.64 is the power factor. So the power factor PF cos pi is equal to 0.64. Again we have to find out that power. To find out the power, we have the formula P is equal product of voltage into current into power factor cos pi. Therefore, the product of voltage into current into power factor, that is cos pi, we have to multiply 238 into current 0.269 into power factor cos pi 0.64. If you are going to multiply these three terms, 238 into 0.269 into power factor 0.64. So here we get the power of 40 watts. 40 watts is the total power which is consumed by incandescent lamp. Next, again we have to repeat the same experiment for fluorescent lamp. So to make the connections, phase and neutral wires. Now here it is given to fluorescent lamp. Phase is given to phase of fluorescent lamp, neutral is given to neutral of fluorescent lamp. Now I am going to switch on the master power supply and I am going to switch on the MCB. Once I am going to switch on the MCB, I am going to switch on that multifunction meter. Now again here we can tabulate the readings. Now the supply voltage. The supply voltage here it is 239.6 volts and the current is 0.040 amperes and phase angle pi is 49.99. Therefore power factor, to measure the power factor we have to use the calci cos of 49.99, 0.642. Therefore 0.642 is the power factor. To measure the power, again we have to product that supply voltage 239.6 into current 0.04 into power factor 0.642. Now the power consumed by 6.15 watts. 6.15 watts by fluorescent lamp. Next, again if you compare this incandescent lamp, there the power consumed by 40 watts to fluorescent lamp, the power consumed by 6.15 watts. Now again we are going to do this experiment with the LED lamp. Yes. So to conduct this experiment again with LED lamp, here LED lamp phase and neutral terminals are there. Now again the output of multifunction meter I am going to short circuit with phase by phase and neutral terminal by neutral terminal. If I am going to switch on the MCB and multifunction meter supply, again here we are going to tabulate the readings for LED lamp. If you see that LED lamp, the supply voltage here it is like 239.0 volts and current is like 0.036 amperes and the phase angle is like 49.99. If phase angle is 49.99, then power factor cos pi can become as 0.642. By using calci, the power factor, that is cos pi, cos of 49.99, it becomes 0.642. Now we are taking that 0.642 as power factor. To find out the power, I am going to product that 239 into 0.036 VI, voltage into current into power factor, again 0.642. Now the power consumed by LED lamp, that is 5.5 watts. So if you compare this experiment, that is the measurement of current, phase angle, power factor and power. So if you see here, first one incandescent lamp. For incandescent lamp the power consumed by 40 watts. Then fluorescent lamp